So we're heading down to, I think it's number 4 causeway of Amamoor Creek. It's been, at the moment, it's sitting at 6.6 of a metre. So very slippery, a lot of mud, a lot of trees down. It's, yeah. So I've been trying to be very careful walking down here so I can show you all just how much water has actually flowed. If you can see where Dave's car is there, you can see where the water has got to, which is here. And then if I scan round, you'll see. How far it came up. I'll keep walking down to show you the creek. It looks like cars were coming through, but they're not now. I wouldn't recommend anyone to cross at 0.6 of a metre.